Afternoon and welcome to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. Ignore the Advancing Car t-shirt, don't normally do them. But right, so today Owen and I have been working on this Swift Bolero 630, I think it is 630? Yeah, 630. As you can see, it's the older style of Ducato, because now obviously you've got the Ducato 8, so this would be like a 7, I guess. They have a, yeah, it must have been like a facelift version with a slightly newer front end, but this is the older one. So obviously it already had the daytime running lamps. We didn't fit those, but they're the same ones we fit. But yeah, so it's the older platform. So obviously all the inside is that little bit older and things. But in terms of what we fitted today, we fitted our usual side steps, so they're nice and solidly mounted and make obviously getting into the vehicle a lot easier. This isn't as high as some of the motorhomes we work on, where you can really go, oh yeah, that's needed. But obviously, you know, it's nicer to be able to get into your motorhome with a little more ease and not having to, you know, lift your leg quite so far and things like that. We've also fitted the body-mounted FM and DAB antenna. Interesting thing with this was, just before we started to drill the hole in the wing and fit it, we noticed that their head unit they've got, which is an aftermarket little JVC single DIN unit, is that didn't actually have the ability to run DAB. So rang the customer and just had a chat with them, and we decided to go ahead and fit it, and then at a later date they'll probably come back and have a new head unit fitted in that space that will then utilise it. But for the moment, at least their FM is boosted, because obviously it has a 12 volt supply for a little amplification of the power to improve the signal, which is good. Obviously it's mounted on the wing, because this is obviously metal and it needs that ground plate to be able to work properly. So it's all in there, all sealed up, all working a treat. Thirdly, it's had Wi-Fi fitted. We fitted that. Again, because the shape of the roof and things like that on this motorhome, it doesn't just go out to a square flat edge. There's various mouldings, and also we've got the side rails and things to compete with, which means that you can't necessarily go right out to the edge, and therefore you're limited to the cupboards or the areas that you can fit the Wi-Fi in terms of where the cabling comes into the van. So we had a couple of options, and then I ended up having to go into the wardrobe, as you can see. But actually it's made for a nice neat install, because it's tucked up out of the way. You don't really need to be able to get to the Wi-Fi. Once you've set it all up, it's just in there and doing its job. And obviously all of the wardrobe is still usable, fully usable, with, you know, clothes and hangers and all that sort of stuff. And it's just nice and neat. So actually it's worked out a treat. And then finally, they've had the nasty old glove box, which actually in this instance was broken just through age and overuse, replaced with the cup holders. Now unfortunately cup holders only come in black, because obviously they're for the like facelifted, so yeah, it must be 7.5, I guess, Ducato 7.5. The facelifted dashes, which, you know, later on came in black and things. This is just the grey, but the customers are absolutely fine with that. It's more of a function over form sort of thing. Far more useful to be able to have cup holders and storage than just nothing at all. So yeah, it just nicely updated this van, made it all a bit more usable, and you know, nicer to use, and a bit better for future upgrades, i.e. head unit and things like that. So if you're interested, jump onto the website, fill out the contact form, have a look at all the other bits and pieces that are available, and we'll maybe see you soon. Thanks for watching.